going on, everybody? We got the Procraft here. Just picked this thing up off of Craigslist, pretty cheap. And well, actually it was Marketplace, not Craigslist, but 17.5 feet. Got an Evinrude XP 150, did a bunch of testing. Everything looks like it's going to be okay. This is the first time out, so let's get out there and see what happens. And don't mind those little broken wires. See you out there. Alright, so we went and had the battery tested, and, well, I charged it up first. Went and had it tested at Walmart, put a load test on it, and it tests bad. So, this is the old one, Group 24, 675 Marine cranking amps. This is Marine starting battery. On these old OMCs, it's pretty important not to use deep cycle batteries for your main starting battery. Just because the deep cycles, from what the techs say, are not designed to have a constant charge on them, so they'll wear out faster. They're designed to be trolled, charged back up, deep cycled for, I guess that's the proper term. So anyways, I'll show you right here. If you can see, I don't know if you can see this or not. That this one appears to be good if all you have is a voltmeter. Right now it's reading 12.4 volts, which is really where you should be. So, but like I said, when I put it on the load tester, it was bad. So, fun fact, these Marine batteries here don't have a warranty, and there's also no core charge. So, they didn't have the 675 cranking amps. However, they had 1,000 cranking amps, same group number. So I just decided to go with that. So let's run out to the boat, put it in, and see what it'll do. All right, got this all tightened down. Check the battery with the voltmeter just now, read 12.8 volts. So it should spin this motor over nice and easy. I'm not gonna let it fire up all the way. I'm just gonna let it let it fire off once because I don't have water to it, and I'm not gonna bring the hose out here. I just want to see if it'll spin the motor over. Alright, so it spins the motor over. Naturally, this is the last good day we're going to have for a while, because the cold front's supposed to come in, it's supposed to start raining tomorrow. So, hopefully maybe this weekend we can get out there and try it out. But at least we know that the battery was the issue, and now it's turning over a lot better than it was, obviously, as you saw earlier. So, we'll wait a couple days and we'll see you out at the lake.